Today we're working in Shaker Heights, Ohio. This is a pretty typical house around this area. We have a lot of rotted wood along the bottom edges. All the years of ice backup has a tendency to give you some rot along the bottom edges. There's also a flat roof in between the two dormers that you can see up there. We'll see if we can cut a video in or some pictures of what's happening, but it's all rotted out. We had to pull all the decking off the top of it. We'll put all brand new decking in before we go ahead and install a new roof over top of it.
Hi, my name's Chet, project manager with First Choice Roofing. So today we've dug into a pretty messy project. There's a lot of wood replacement on this job that we're running into. We're doing a lot of structural reframing, deck replacement. That's why it's important to check your roof regularly, because right now there's well over $5,000 in additional costs just due to structural reframing, decking, and extra things that come along with a leaky roof.